The search for a reliable mamopay alternative has become essential for users who want faster settlements, broader global coverage, and lower transaction fees. Mamopay remains popular, but several digital wallets now offer stronger features, better withdrawal options, and more flexible business tools. One of the best alternatives is Payoneer. This wallet provides a seamless way to send and receive payments in USD, with global reach across more than 200 countries. Freelancers, creators, and small businesses benefit from virtual USD accounts, fast withdrawals to local banks, and competitive fees. Its mass payout system and trusted compliance framework make it ideal for professional use. Next is Wise, a strong option for those who prioritize transparent currency conversions. Wise supports USD balance holding, international transfers, multi-currency accounts, and low-fee cross-border payments. Its real exchange rate pricing gives users full control over what they pay. For individuals and businesses receiving money internationally, Wise remains one of the most cost-effective choices. Another top competitor is AirWallex. Built for business growth, this wallet offers USD accounts, corporate cards, multi-currency wallets, and API integrations. Startups and e-commerce brands can collect funds globally, settle in USD, and pay vendors without excessive charges. AirWallex also provides chargeback protection and financial tools designed for scaling. For crypto-friendly users, Coinbase Wallet and Binance Pay stand out. Both support stablecoins like USDT and USDC, allowing instant global transfers in USD value without banking delays. With low fees and high liquidity, crypto-based wallets offer speed and flexibility, especially for cross-border transactions. Strike Treasury and Revolut Business round out the strongest mamopay alternatives. Both provide USD accounts, virtual cards, business tools, and simplified financial management. Their security standards and automation capabilities make them dependable for long-term operations. These wallets deliver stronger global support, better payout structures, and clearer pricing, offering users powerful alternatives to mamopay.